We're stopping here on the side of the road to get a beer from this lovely lady who is operating her shop. And just to give you an idea, she's really in the bush. But it's so lovely to be able to stop on the side of the road and get something to drink.
That is true.
So what's your name?
My name is Arlene.
Arlene, what a lovely name. How long have you had your shop set up here?
Around, it can go 2 months.
2 months? And how are you making out?
Well, sometimes it's slow and another time it's kind of pick up.
I was going to ask you, do you get a lot of traffic? Because it's kind of out in the bush here.
Yeah, the traffic. You have traffic where I go high gates.
Okay.
And you have traffic where going to town.
Okay.
So they will stop.
Excellent. So what's the most popular thing that you sell here?
Well, the most popular thing is these and more. Well, I get banana, plantain, ackee.
Okay.
Them love ackee. When I love it.
So are you buying that from somebody else, or do you have those trees growing here?
No, we have the tree.
Excellent. So is this your son? Your relative?
No, that's my spouse.
Oh, I apologize. Your spouse. Excellent. So what's your name?
David.
David. Lovely. David and Arlene. That's a wonderful couple's name. How long have you guys been married?
Over 5 years over there, though.
Wow, 5 years. So I haven't been able to manage that. So congratulations on that. So 2 months, are you doing this because you wanted to start up a company, or are you like trying to just do extra to get ready for Christmas?
No, we are do this long time.
Excellent.
I normally own my own bar in Kingston.
Oh, so you've come from Kingston to the bush.
Yeah.
This is going to be a big change for you. You hear the crickets at nighttime compared to the city.
They're nice.
So you rest better here than you did in Kingston?
Sure do.
Excellent. Well, I appreciate you taking time. Say hi to your fans.
Hi.
You got mostly my subscribers are from Jamaica.
Okay.
And then,
you are on TikTok too?
no, just on YouTube. I do a YouTube channel. I just haven't got up to speed on all the other stuff, but people are telling me I need to do Instagram and share the videos.
Because TikTok more popular, where you have people on TikTok. No.
Yes, that's for sure. That's for sure.
Yeah.
Everything I've got. Everybody up there buy everything.
Yeah. Even when they're posting on their YouTube, they're always posting right behind and doing the other things. So I need to get on the ball.
Yeah.
All right, yeah, Mom. Thank you.
Okay.
You're welcome.